Hi Prashant bro. Hi Venkat Sudesh bro.
Hi, Hari.
Hi Hari, good evening.
Hi.
We have 15 people.
Okay, let's just a few more minutes. I
Yeah,
think,
sure.
yeah. Hari, did you check with Shivam, Anamika? Like, I have pinged them.
Shivan said he is on the way. He was driving.
While we are getting started, maybe folks can start sharing where they're connecting from in the chat window.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening, everyone. So for starting this session, it will take a few more minutes. So meanwhile, you can share your name and from which location you are participating, and for fun, you can share fun fact about yourself or your city, anything.
Malishwari,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Rovo agents listen,
Robo Agent.
just
Sorry,
or they just read.
sorry. I didn't get your question.
Yeah. I mean, you say that. Can we talk to Rovo agents, or we just have to type in? Can the prompt
Uh,
be audio?
Yeah, in Rovo Desktop that is enabled, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Recently I tried in Rovo desktop, so it's we can talk. It will listen our voice and it will respond.
Okay.
And I
So
think
then,
in browser also, but not sure.
hmm,
But in desktop it's there.
okay. And after, like, once we complete our dialogue or monologue, do you have
Hmm.
to hit enter, or it says, like, how exactly it works?
Okay.
Yeah, it's tight. Let's try it once the agent is in. No worries. Yeah, I think we have good 6 minutes now.
Yeah.
We have 23 people,
Yeah.
so we can
Let's
start.
start.
Thank you.
Okay. First of all, good evening everyone, and welcome for the first event of Atlassian Community Amravati. As and thanks for all us joining today. So I'm sharing my screen to give a city intro. Hope you guys can able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah. So and before that, my name is Sanam Malishwari. I'm having 4 years of experience as an Atlassian platform engineer, and over the past year, I'm also contributing to the Atlassian community as a content creator. So this year, we officially started Atlassian Community Amravati. So Atlassian community Amravati is one of the capital for the Andhra Pradesh, and it's a rich culture and heritage and historical significance, and it's nearby Vijayawada on the banks of Krishna River. And Amravati is also one of the growing modern hub, innovation, technology, and professional community in India. And today's session coming to beyond automation and build your first Rovo agent. This is our today's session. So in this session, we will be exploring hands-on experience on how to create a Rovo agent from scratch. And so that topic we are going to explore, and also automation versus Rovo. And yeah, that's all. And uh, today's speaker is Hari Krishna. So he is a co-chapter leader and Atlassian community Amravati. Uh, and yeah, so over to you, Hari.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So this is Hari Krishna. So I was a Atlassian community champion as well as the lead of Atlassian community chapter Amravati. So I'm not gonna take too much time of this. So let me share my screen so that we can go through it. Visual for you.
Yeah, Hari.
Yeah,
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So today our topic is beyond automation. So we just go through the beyond automation only. We can go for the auto agent afterwards. So we'll just discuss what we are gonna discuss in the first of all. So
Hari, we can
what?
see current affairs on your screen.
Huh?
no, I can see present slides only.
Okay, okay.
Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna discuss what we are gonna covering today. So first of all, we are going with the automation basics and what are the limitations of automation. So after that, we can go through with the Rovo agent introduction. So what is a Rovo agent and how we are going to build that one. So after that, there will be a small live demo session. So it's not a big one, just a small one. So it will be completed. So after that, there will be Q&A session. So in this one, there will be some gifts also for the attendees, so we can go through with the Q&A, so then we can distribute the gifts as well. So let's go to the topic. So we're going with the first one. So what is an automation? So automation is basically a rule based. So we are defining conditions, like if something happens, then perform a certain action. So like this, we are using the automation as now. So it mainly used for the repetitive tasks, like there will be some example, like what to say. if an issue is created from one end, like whenever an issue is created, so we send to somebody, some user. So like this simple tasks. So like another one is, if the status is done, so send an email to the reporter or somebody. So these are a simple examples that I am showing here. So but there will be a lot of use cases here. So it will be used for multi case and multiple different kinds of automations. So it was mainly working on the static behavior. So the automations are working on the static behavior. So let's go to the limitations. So when we go to the limitations here, so it cannot understand the what actually we mean. Okay, so it understands the rules, it needs to be predefined rules. So it cannot and able to understand what you actually mean to say. So and it fails whenever the input is a dynamic, like dynamic so let's say what it executes but it doesn't able to think. That's the main limitation of this one. So when coming to the problematic statement here, so we humans, we think in a natural language. Okay, so we understand natural language and we think in a language, natural language. But system is not like that. System will only understand the structured data, then only it will execute. So to overcome these limitations, here the main part will come. So to overcome these limitations, here we introduce Rovo agent. So Rovo, what is a Rovo agent? So Rovo agent is nothing but a AI powered assistant. So what actually it does is it understands the actual intent of the user and interprets natural language. So and performs smart actions. So we can directly say it doesn't follow rules. It understands what the actual intent and execute what we actually mean. So here we compare Rovo automation and Rovo. So automation is a, like I said, is a set of rules. So it need to be defined and it executed through those rules only. So it cannot able to go that one. So when coming to Rovo, completely different. It was an AI powered assistant. So it will think in a based on what we given to that Rovo agent. So it understand the intent and it will generate the content according to that one. So I'm not gonna saying that we shouldn't replace the automation here. So we should use both to effectively increase the productivity and to limit work. I mean to reduce the workload. So that's how it's gonna work. So here we are coming to the agent creation part. So I'm not gonna take much time. So there will be two parts, three parts only. So first one is creating an agent. So and adding the prompt is not but instructions here. Okay, instructions, what we instructions are nothing but the commands that we give to the Rovo agent. Based on that commands only that will work. Okay, and then again with the Jira and testing with some inputs, so that we can see how its functionalities are working. Okay, so I just take a use case here, creating a Jira ticket using text. Okay, so generally like example is also here. So create a bug for login issue, but we can go for the use case here. Generally when we are trying to create a ticket, we just need to, let me share my screen as well. Yeah, whenever I want to create a ticket, I need to open here and create, select the work type, bug or anything. So login issue, to enter the issue summary, description, description, something like this. I need to enter priority as well, and then I need to create a ticket here. So but here what we are doing is we are doing everything and everything is going manual way only. Here comes the Rovo. So I'm just going to the here. So I'm selecting my Rovo agent. So here I'm using smart Rovo, smart issue manager. So here I have given some like what to say instructions, like what these are command line prompts, like that we say. So conversation starters. So user unable to log in the issue, fix it urgently. This is a small command. So that I have given the text to the Rovo agent. So you can see it will finally it will see what we actually meant. So refine all the data into the Rovo, and it will create a ticket for us. You will understand the work type, what actually mean to here. So and it will generate the summary and as well as the description and the priority as well. So if based on the input we have given, we can add the labels and we can assign users. Like this stuff we can do it. So this how it's work. So we no need to fill multiple details here. So that's how simple it is. Which is better, whether creating through manual way here is better, or this one is better. So you know that one. So that's how it's work. So let's go with a live demo here. So I'm going with a um, so I'm going to the studio to create a new Rovo agent here. There are some prompts that I have pre-taken before I taken beforehand. So I'm using those prompts. I will attach those files as well in chat as well. You can test it from your end as well. These are not complicated. These are simple ones only. So I'm creating a new Rovo agent here. Agent. So this is the direct instructions. You don't need to add the multiple. I mean, if you add the instruction directly here in the sentence, it will auto generate the title as well for the Rovo agent. Title and all the details will be generated through here only. So if you want to skip manual part, we can skip to manual part, and here you can enter the details what you mean. So first of all, I'm changing the title. So title as management issue management agent. Okay, then I'm giving some instructions. So I will I have predefined in all these instructions before, right? So I will provide these instructions in the chat as well, so you can check. So let me share this as well in the chat if needed. One second. Yeah. Oh, I think there might be some issue with my chat. It was not loading. Okay, I will share it after the session. So then it was not loading here. What I have given the prompt here. So you are an intelligent robot in a Jira assistant that creates and manages issues and Jira workstation. So I have defined the work types. So based on the behavior, but if it is if it for a problem, it will goes for the bug, or else if it is a general work, it will goes for the task, or it will describe for a feature or a particular requirement. It will go for the story. That's how it's work. And I have even set priority here. So high in the sense means critical or urgent or failure, like these words comes in the prompt, like I have given, right? So if those are there means, then it will generate the high priority. So default is a medium one, low is a minor request, you know that one. So what I have given is create a clear summary, short and meaningful summary only, not too complicated. Detailed description. So description will be in detail. So adding labels here, I have added that Rovo agent label here. Rovo agent session. So I'm adding a session here. Rovo agent session. So I had this label here based on the context, login or payment or UI. Based on this, you will work and always create an issue in the selected Jira project only. Okay, in the selected Jira project only it will work, because I have already predefined the. I mean, mine is only having the one a software project. That's how it's work. So when coming to the skills, I'm adding the skills here. So here what we have is, so I'm only the Jira project only. So I'm adding the Jira here. So based on the prompt, I'm mostly create them. So I have only create work item only. I mean, creating the work item. So I have given the create work item, and for the safe side, I have given the select work item as well. So I'm adding those two skills. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add get work items here. Get work items. You can see what to describe in the command prompt level. So you need to select those skills based on that. So if I need, I am updating the field means update field, update label, like this. I need to select update work items like this. I need to select the based on skills here, skill set. So I'm adding those skills here. So you can see I have selected 6 skills. So then, so now knowledge base in the confidence base. Okay, so I have selected the entire organization knowledge. So if I select for custom knowledge means I can select for a particular page or a particular space only. So that's how it's work. So now for now I have selected all the entire organization. So conversation starters. So what we have shown previously is a conversation starters, which will come whenever I try to give the right any or any of the my work items work like these instructions are there, right? So these are all conversation starters. How the conversation starts? I will add some conversation starters here. So what users unable to log in, fix it. Okay, this is one. Another one, add feature, add feature for dark mode. Another one is like anything, update dashboard UI or something. I'm giving update dashboard UI. Okay, dashboard UI. Like this I have given. So if they want to select through website, public websites, you can enable this one. So there is no issue with allow agent to search through all the public websites. Means then you can add here. So I'm activating the row. So I think it must. So here our row is created already. Okay, so here you can see that. So conversation review. So for the testing you can view this one. So how it's view. So let me go and refresh this page. So I'm going with a row. So I'm selecting my issue management issue management agent. So here you can see unable to user unable to log in, fix it urgently. So like these commands I have already predefined here and given here. So I'm just taking the first one. So you can see how it's work. So this raises a bug. So if I want to redefine this one, so I can refine this one. So and if I want to add anything like a snippet or anything, I can add it here. So you can see user unable to log in. So user other reporting that they are unable to log into the Jira system. On that, it will create the description and all, and the priority also chosen. So likewise, I have shown in the previously how it's taken as a, like in the prompt. So you can see low labels also added. Likewise, I have given. So if I want to add the assignee also, it will add. So that that's no issue with that one. With the start date also the same or teams anything. So anything you want to add, you can give it to them in the prompt view. So that's how it's work. So if I want to create the issue, then I can directly create the issue. This is how it uses. Okay, so I have told you one scenario previously. You can use both automations and robo agents in a to increase the productivity. So how we using that one is so this is a scenario. So I have created one ticket. So if the prior or what to choose, so robo is used for to create a ticket. So and for the automation part, whenever the issue is created, so if the issue is created and if priority is equal to high, so then assign to the dev team. Like that I can configure the automation. This is a simple one that I am telling you. So you can go beyond that one as well. So based on your thoughts and based on your creativity, so you can go more on this one. That's how it's working. So let me go to the presentation as well, so that I can able to explain. So we have already built it one. So agent prompt, like I shown, like I told, it will defines the behavior of the agent. So it will extract the issue type, summary, and priority what we have given. And agent prompt is mainly known as the brain of the that only it will work. Like in Robo movie, we have given some commands. It will only act like that. So it will act like that only. Whatever the commands you give, it will only work like that. so it won't go beyond that one. And one of the best feature in the Rovo agent is it follows the teamwork graph. So it will only access whatever you can. So it won't, I mean, I have only shown you the ticket creation Rovo agent. So there will be multiple Rovo agent beyond that one. So it's a basic one. Before, after that, there will be a lot of things will be there to use the Rovo. So in those things, so it will it will provide the security, because it will only access whatever access you have. So I am a site admin in the sense means, or org admin means I can have the access for all the things whatever I can in the entire organization. For normal users it won't work like that. So it will have the limited access for those users based on their permissions. So what are the practice to create a Rovo agent here means, keep the prompt clear, not so clumsy, or too not too complicated. So you need to start simple only for better for better results. Like I've shown, you can combine with the automations. So using both will get the better results. That's how it's working. So last part, we have just see what we have covered today. So we have covered automations was Rovo agents, and we have built a Rovo agent and use practical use cases here. So I have told you the best practices how to give. So with this, our sessions end here. So if I have any doubts on this or anything, we can connect through LinkedIn. This is my QR. So you can scan this one, and you will get my profile, so that we can cover on it. Mm, After this, there will be Q&A session as well. Uh, Malika, did
Yeah,
Shivam join the call?
yeah. Shivam
Hi.
and Anamika joined.
Yeah, hi Anamika. Hi Shivam. Thanks for
Hi,
joining.
Naveen. Hi, Sim.
Hi guys, sorry I was a bit late to
Yeah,
join.
yeah, no
Yeah,
problem.
I was
no worry, no worry.
joined 2 minutes late.
Yeah, okay. If it's okay, we'll go for the Q&A session. So yeah,
Yeah, guys, if you have
so
any questions, so please post in a chat. And if you want to talk, raise a hand, so I'll give you a chance to talk.
yeah, bro, Prashant bro. I'm scared
Yeah,
what kind of questions you are going to ask.
no. It's good. It's very, actually very nice first session. Actually, to be honest, what I understand, it's this demo is purely for internal, right? Not for external
Yeah, right.
customers, who guys want to.
Yeah, yeah,
So the internal
yeah,
team, product-based company. Yeah. Ah, it was good, man. Very nice. Very nice.
yeah. Thank you. Basically, not every people will join the will stuff. So that's why I keep.
Yeah, it's a good start.
That's
To
why.
be honest, it's a very good start.
Yeah. Thank you. Uh,
Yeah, and also, guys, I have shared the resources of this event, Rovo Adoption Guide and how to create an agent. So those are official Atlassian articles. You guys can go through whenever you have time.
Sure, sure.
I think we better turn on our video. I guess everyone will be
Yeah,
shut down. Okay, Shivam bro, can I hand over the session to you for the Q&A questions? I think, is there
Rich.
anyone to ask questions?
Uh, yeah, so we can do one activity. Like actually, I need few 5 minutes more to start with the quiz.
Oh,
So before that, we
okay.
can do one activity with everyone who has joined here. I can see like a few familiar faces from other community events who joined other chapters, like maybe
Venkat
Pune
Satish,
or maybe Hyderabad and Jaipur. So
Venkat
maybe
Satish bro.
they can.
Or
Yes, necessary.
yeah, no, you can join. You can go.
Yeah. So I was saying like maybe those members can unmute themselves and say one maybe one line for this community, because today is the first event for this Amravati chapter, and like very congratulations to you guys, Hari and Sanam, for both of you to starting this chapter.
Yeah,
So I want like everyone to speak a few lines about the chapter, and maybe they can share a vision about uh, like their vision about the community, like how they want to be see this in next year.
Shivam, you
Sorry if
mean
I
like
missed anyone.
Shivam,
Yeah, bro, you can continue.
Shivam, you mean like how you want to see Amaravati chapter evolve by next year this time?
Yeah, right, right. I want to say that.
Yeah, I reckon, once we interact and more people get to know about the champion community, they will join eventually. Because looking at the state size and the population and the educated people there, they might be already using Jira. And I see like, there's a great a bunch of community champions appearing from Amaravati region or entire Andhra Pradesh region.
I think he was on driving, bro. That's why he came.
He's driving, yeah, that's fine. No.
Yeah. Sorry if I miss any any important people. So I don't have that much of idea. Sorry if I miss anyone here. Uh,
And no need to be
so if you don't,
sorry, Harry.
Yeah.
It
This
was
is the
yeah,
first event, so you're all getting to know each other.
yeah,
Welcome to the session, and thanks for such a wonderful session for the first event of the chapter. So
yeah.
we are all just divided by chapters, but end of the day, we are all Atlassian enthusiasts who are focused on learning, interacting, and sharing the concepts and the knowledge, whatever we are practicing and focusing and learning from our side, right? So that's the main agenda, motto of these creating these chapters and having all these events, whether it is in person or virtual. Right? In person helps to bring the local members together, whereas the virtual chapter events like this can connect from all the locations. Like as you can see, we have members from Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Shivam and Amanamika joining from different locations, right? So this is the beauty of bringing the virtual events, and this is not just Hari or someone doing the session, folks. Whoever is interested, they can reach out to Hari or Malishwari or any of us, the Atlassian leaders. We are happy to host you. Right? Bring us a topic, whatever the topic you want. It should be related to Atlassian suite. It can be integration, it can be collaboration, it can be within the Atlassian. Feel free to reach out to any of us. We are happy to host you as a speaker. That brings you also the visibility and also sharing the knowledge with the community. That helps to bring the chapter now. That's from my side.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
crucial,
Thank you, bro.
Satish. By virtual
that
event, we can connect
was
globally.
like it was really very great start and a great event, Hari and Salam. So congratulations, you guys. It
Yeah,
was
thank you
really
so
very
much.
good start and it's a nice event.
Yeah, thank you,
One
and thanks
question
for
is
your
there
join.
in the chat. Yeah,
Yeah.
one question is there in the chat box from Mahesh. Uh, so you can look at Hari.
I think I can't able to access chat box. I don't know why. So it keep on
Oh,
loading.
Okay.
okay. Shall I read
So
it?
the question is, okay, you answer.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. So do we have any approval process before issues created by an agent as anyone can give prompt? Should we can have any approval process in the flow?
Mm, I didn't get exactly.
I think they are asking some, is there any approval process for creating issues by using agent?
No, no, no. There will be any approvals here. So whatever permission you have, you can create. But for sure, in that particular project you want to create, yeah, you need to have the permission for that to create the issues. So that's all. There is no particular approvals or anything will be blocking your path here.
Maybe I can add a small point from my side.
Yeah,
One of
definitely.
the company, they added a label like AI created issue, so that like it can help to review or take a look at any later point of time any such issues which are created with the help of AI. There is no
Yeah.
approval process as such right now, but yes, maybe if required, we can use this technique to figure out.
Hi, thanks for enabling my audio. So, yes, more or less my question was like anybody can come and give the prompt and issues can be created, right? So, before the issue creates in particular project or team, can the PO or the Scrum Master can be get a notification and they can approve it?
No, that's not how it's work. If you have that particular access only, then only you can have it. You got my
Okay. 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 Yeah.
point, right?
Maybe. Okay.
So no, I didn't add.
I think Mahesh, the ticket will be created if only it meets the criteria.
Okay.
Someone can't just give a vague normal language question so that the system doesn't even understand. It might throw an error and it will
Yeah.
not create the ticket at
No,
all.
Okay, my question is like if business is having some requirement or there is a production ticket and which is not prioritized by the PO or Scrum Master, they can give a prompt and create a ticket, ask the agent like create this Jira ticket or bug for this production issue for this team, and it will create it, right? So, but in those cases, we need to have some approval flow. The PO or Scrum Master should accept, then only it should can create a ticket if I'm making
uh,
sense.
I think in that case, it will about the configuration and the permissions. What who have to create, and I think it will not be for a particular issue. I think it's the overall project permissions. According to like what I think is.
yeah, bro, the actual intent here. So currently there is no approval step here. So whatever I mean, whoever using that particular agent is a owner for it. I mean, currently I'm using the Rovo, okay, Rovo agent. So if I want to create, I can directly create that one. So there is no pre-approval step before creating a Rovo agent here. So after that, you can, yeah, if you want to add anything means you can set up the automation rules. So before creating Rovo agent, before creating any tickets, so there is no pre-approval request here. So that's how it's work. Is it okay for you?
Yeah. I missed the starting part, like Amaravati community. Like, is there any specific reason, or this, or you people are based out of it, or it's just the name you guys given? Sorry, I joined late because of another conflict.
Yeah, yeah, I will explain to you. So initially we didn't thought about Amaravati. Okay, so we plan to go for a Vijayawada chapter. Okay, so but after that, when I thought like after 2 days, Andhra. So we thought of making it a way to
Yes.
develop with the country. So that's how we planned for the Amravati chapter. So initial start, there is no thought of Amravati at all for me. So we just go through
Good,
with the
good.
development only.
Okay. Good, good.
That's
Good to know. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Is there
So, any
anything?
other future projects you are going to plan so that we can join any?
Hmm. Currently, we are in an initial stage. We didn't think much of it. So, but if any, we will definitely let you know. So we are in the going phase. So you also saw that we are. This was the first event for us. So we are just going with our foundation. So once we
So
get our
one use case I
foundation,
have, like if any business gives a high level requirement, can it can this agent can create maybe it's a add on to this current one, like at the epic level, at the initiative level, at the epic level, and the story level and subtask level with high level business
can you repeat it?
document. If we can give the high level business document requirement to the agent, can it create multiple level of issues like at a high level of initiative level, then epic level, then story level, and then subtask? Everything it can create.
Yeah, definitely. So, like I said, the prompt is a brain here. So, whatever you include into that brain, so that's how it's work. So, it was like a command. So, you need to give the commands to it. So, that's how it's work. Based on the input and level of, level of input you have given to the agent, that's how it's work. So, don't go beyond that one. So, whatever the instructions you have given, so based on that, it will work definitely.
Mahesh, in a nutshell, the question you asked is that can you replace a BA with Rovo?
Okay. May now everyone's role is risky, right? So why should only Scrum Master should suffer?
Yeah, it's fine. Like, if Rovo can create the epics and then the issues and tasks and subtasks, then there's no point of having a BA apart from getting the stakeholder sign offs. So life
Yes.
becomes so easy. But again, yeah, uh, maybe the day is not long, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But again, there might be a robust amount of creating the forms and then next level of configuring and customizing the row agent, how it can pick and segregate Epic into issues and tasks and subtasks. It might be possible. No one, I think, ventured out in that angle. Someone might be working on that right now, but let's see how it goes. And then in the next chapter from Hyderabad continuation, I will start from here. We are planning from Hyderabad to take it to the next level. This is a starting point. I will add to this in the next session in June. We are planning for that. Then that will be more interesting, I believe. I mean, like this is equally interesting, but that will be more, dwelling into the system and talking about all possibilities, if not all, the most possibilities, and what all knowledge we are gaining day in and day out.
Yeah. I think Shivam bro, are you reach the? Did you reach the?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and also Prabhas want to share something. So Prabhas, you have you can you can access mic and you can unmute yourself and you can talk.
Shivam just parked his car. It's behind him.
Sorry.
Shivam just parked his car. It's behind him.
Yeah, I actually came, took in my background.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Everything okay? We can go for the quiz.
okay. So if you stop screen sharing, then I will start my
Yeah.
screen share. Okay.
So
Yeah,
I'm handing over the screen to you.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So is my screen visible?
yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Multiple screens. Yeah.
So here's the QR for the Menti quiz that we have today for today. And
Prashant, it is not for you, bro. Instantly, he is taking the phone and scanning the QR.
so
You already
now
became a
the QR
champion.
going from other to other.
You already became a champion, so you are out of the league here.
Okay.
So now the question is like Prashant will join from which name? Like what name will
Sure,
he
sure.
use?
Yeah.
Maybe a different name. So we have 9 players here ready. So has everyone joined or how many of we are we there? 19.
Oh,
Uh,
yeah.
they are 19.
Earlier people are there. I think some
Okay,
people
okay.
left.
Can I see participant's name here or not? No. So I will give you 30 more seconds, then we will start. Till then, I want to add a few line about Hari and Sanam both because I know both of them since last year, and yeah, the thing is like we actually connected over the LinkedIn only. Yeah, for Sanam, we connected on Slack when we both onboarded at the same time. So since then we were connected, and we met last year in Bangalore in Demontor and Robocon. So they were actually like doing a lot since last year, and now I am very happy to see them to start the chapter on their own, and they are like doing a lot of great things, like they are doing certifications and posting a lot of stuff on the LinkedIn. So they are actually a champion who are actually now in this community as a chapter leader, previously as a online leader, but yeah, now as a chapter leader. So I'm just thankful to them as well. Like they are starting a new chapter, and I am a part of it, that chapter. So congratulations to you guys and Prashant as well. Like he recently onboarded as a champion. So kudos to you, Prashant, as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah,
Yeah,
may
no worries. It's all your work only. I'm just guiding you in the way. So now I think we can start. We
I
have
should
to.
mention. I should mention the $10, I believe. I'm very
Yeah.
unfair. See, guys, I used like when I was writing exams, right, the certifications, I was chasing Shivam. Shivam, please give me some vouchers, give me some vouchers. So he said, yeah, I'm giving you one. I was attending Faridabad chapter where Anamika hosted and Shivam hosted Loom sessions. I just finished my one of the certifications and joined this session. Somehow Minty Meter has played with me. I couldn't answer all the questions. And then I was requesting Shivam, please one voucher for my next exam. He gave me $10. This is all I can do.
That's all
So
that we can
Shivam,
get from the community only.
but thanks, sir. I use them.
Yeah, amazing. So I think we are. Let's start with that quiz. So we have 14 players, 12 players ready. So meanwhile, you can join in the between.
Yeah, people are joining still.
Mhm.
I think. I,
Okay.
I can see count is increasing.
Mhm. Okay. Let us start in
Let's
five.
play. Yeah.
I think five of us are champions only, so we have full number of people here, 14. So we can start.
Yeah.
So that's the fastest finger first. You have to answer it fast to get the points. And these are the basic ones only. So what is the automation mainly based on? It is based on AI, based on the machine learning, based on the rules or the data analysis of
So
your
I will
Jira
turn
instance.
data analysis, bro.
And guys, please don't listen to Shivam. He will try to off track you and manipulate you. Ruth, 10 are correct because he is the
The
mental
machine,
quiz master.
the machine learning, yeah, the machine learning guy is just like me, I guess.
Okay, okay. So thanks for the mention, Anamika and Hari. Now move on to the next one. So again the QR. Then the second question is, which is what is the key limitation of an automation? You need to find the limitation here. It is too fast or too expensive, maybe. It won't understand the intent, or maybe works offline, even if you are not connected to the network. I think
Too
that was
expensive.
a good one. Like it should
I
work
think
offline.
Yeah, bro.
I think too
Yeah,
expensive.
bro.
The
Yeah,
correct one
somebody
is
listen to you, bro. Somebody listen to you.
Somebody
okay.
listen to me also.
Oh,
Okay. So with the next one, 14 are ready, and the question is, which is more flexible?
More flexible.
Atlassian committee is flexible, I guess.
Yeah.
I think none.
Okay. So
None is clear.
automation. Oh, the options are like,
I think it is very clear for the topic.
so let's see
Let's
how much
see.
you're answering right. The Rovo Agent is the flexible one.
Roach.
oh,
No one listened to me this time.
they fed
Okay.
up you.
I
Now,
think they still trust Shivam.
Yeah.
Three of them.
okay, okay. Now, I think I
Shivam
need to
has
mention
done
the
some
correct.
kind of black magic here.
Might be. So, with the fourth one, the question is, what is the brain of a Rovo agent? I think that is very clear for you because
I
that
think
is
it's going to
there
neuroscience.
quite a few
I
times.
think it's prompt project.
Let's see who is listening, Namika. Oh,
9.
9 minutes.
Oh, 9 people.
Sorry, guys.
amazing, amazing. So,
Bro.
Anamika, don't hit the cheat sheet, guys. So, Harry and me are the owner of this quiz. So,
Yeah.
listen
I was
to
just
us.
saying right now only. I don't know anything about it.
Okay, okay. So, that is the basic one, I guess. The Hari
Yes.
repeated that question quite a few times in the session only.
Hmm.
Trigger is
Yeah.
the brain of the automation. So, anyways, now
Yeah,
the
still 4 more questions are there. More than.
so with the fifth one, which is what happens if input is unclear in a well-designed agent? It will delete the request. It will ask a follow-up question or
Like
ignore the input.
delete
Create a
request. Delete request.
create and regenerate it. That is the like good one, I would say. Okay, let's see. Yeah,
Thank God this time no one listened to me. Otherwise, Hari's session was like, what is it? Delete request. 12 of them are correct. Nice.
okay, okay, great. So moving to the next one, the sixth one, which is in Rovo plus automation flow. Who understands input? The Rovo or the automation? So, okay,
User.
I think
Jira and the
Jira
user.
understands the input.
If
I
the
think
user
user.
is getting the input,
Yes.
then everything's gonna be fine, whether it's automation or a Rovo. But it's the
Oh
Rovo.
no,
The,
Okay, so like it's great. Like majority of you are answering it right, or maybe you are using Rovo. So
but no one listen to me.
seventh one,
no one, I think.
in Rovo plus automation flow, who executes section? Now the execution part. The Rovo or the automation or both or none. Now
Maybe
it
both.
Maybe none.
Maybe
I
automation
will pass
also.
this
maybe
question.
Now,
Rovo.
guys, don't listen to Sanam as well.
So the correct
Wow,
one
Nice.
is
automation.
Great.
awesome, awesome.
72.
So with the next one, the second last one, you have only two questions left to be in the top of the leaderboard. So with that, the question is, why combine Rovo with automation? What is the reason behind it? It is to it will increase the complexity, it will reduce the performance to handle both thinking and
No
feeling.
reason.
For no reason. Just
Yeah,
to
no
handle
reason.
both
There is no
thinking
reason for
and
that.
feeling.
Oh,
Oh,
other
Wow.
Everyone
option.
put
This is
put
something really
you are
great.
correct. Or the other options are the ridiculous one, maybe. So with the last question that we have for today, which is okay, what is the biggest advantage of Rovo? Now to find the advantage here, to understand the
Mm,
intent or the speed or maybe the UI that you like the most or the storage part. What thing you like
UI.
the most?
I think
I
speed.
think UI
It
is like
will,
it
it
can
will,
change,
it will create faster.
but the correct one
Oh,
is
somebody listen to me.
that is the correct advantage as per the Atlassian or the real world scenario.
I think this is all about AI, understanding intent.
Yes, yes. So now time to see the leaderboard, guys. Cross the fingers and let's see who is on the top. Now,
Uh,
Ram.
Ram.
no, no, no. We
not
have
yet.
Lee,
Millie.
Millie.
then Ram, then Sakura.
Then
I,
Sakura.
I think the first and third one are the auto-generated names. So if you are here, please drop your name in the chat and contact the Hari for your vouchers. Sakura was me.
Uh,
Okay, Olga.
Who is Sakura? Olga. Okay.
Okay.
Congratulations, Sakura.
Congratulations. Now,
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Oh,
then Ram and Millie. You can drop your name as well or contact Hari for with your email ID or maybe contact him on LinkedIn. Okay.
oh,
So maybe I can
Oh,
take a
Ram was
screenshot of
beyond.
it. And yeah, maybe we can take a
Yeah.
I
screenshot
think
of
we can, yeah, and
Then
we can take one selfie also. Like not selfie, a screenshot of everyone.
yeah.
yes, yes. So let us enable the access for everyone
Yeah.
so that they can turn on their
so
camera.
Malika, turn on the camera for everyone.
Okay. Actually, I don't know how to do that one for everyone.
I am enabling
Arjun,
them.
can you do?
Yeah, yeah. So you all can enable your camera so that we can take a screenshot for the session.
Okay.
And we are marking the first session for Amravati here. So let okay. Who is taking the screenshot? Hari, you or me?
You
Yeah,
can take
I'll
it,
take.
bro.
Okay, okay. So all right, guys, you can turn on your camera if you want. Otherwise, it is fine. You can take a screenshot here. So make a victory sign here. Okay. Now the second screen. Okay, then. So now over to you guys, like Hari and Sanam. you can conclude the session with your words.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much for
So
co-hosting all the chapters from Jaipur, Faridabad, and Hyderabad, all the people. And thank you so much for making this event. And Shivam, especially very thanks to you conducting this QH and making this session very entertainment. And Anamika, thank you so much. Satish and Prashant, thank you so much for you both.
yeah,
It
thanks for
was really
everyone
very
joining.
great
Yeah,
session. Yeah, Hari and Sanam, it was really great session. Kudos to you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Now I want to see some
thank
in-person
you.
sessions with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also you guys can, I'm sharing this community LinkedIn viewers and WhatsApp community
Uh,
also. So you guys can share, join.
yeah, Malika, did you notice users? I mean, people who won that one.
Sorry, is no one not taken any
Yeah, it's
screenshot? I noted.
Olga Janki Ram, and there's one on the Millie. I don't know who the Millie is.
Hmm.
These are all AI
Millie,
generated.
Millie is still unknown, I guess.
Anyone want to join in this community and
Bro,
can scan
Prashant,
this QR
bro,
code from
not your
LinkedIn,
fake account, right?
and this is for
No, no, no,
WhatsApp.
not mine.
So you
Still,
have
you
still.
want to give it to me, more than happy.
Lalitesh raised his hand. Lalitesh, you want to
Yeah.
say something?
Yeah.
No, guys. So I just want to ask if you can, switch that back to WhatsApp QR code. I kind of, couldn't get that. So do you mind, sharing that QR again?
Yeah, I'm sharing.
I
Yeah,
didn't
you
get
can
that.
Which QR you are asking?
WhatsApp community.
Yeah,
The WhatsApp community group.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
that's the
that's
one.
fine.
Even I had to join that as well.
Yeah, Shivam, how did you create that confetti background? Is it Teams, Zoom's thing or
It is like the background from the Atlassian only. The
Clash
share.
Edition?
No,
Okay,
bro,
okay.
that was his car, bro.
Yeah, I just bought that one for Indian
I
roads.
don't, I don't see that in
Yeah.
the Teams, that confetti flying. So it's good to saw.
Okay, okay. Maybe we can share that like the background in the WhatsApp group so that everyone can apply if they want.
Yeah. So again, thank you all for joining. So if I miss anything, anyone, so sorry for that. So especially I want to thank you, Shivam bro, Prashant, and Anamika and Venkat Satish bro for guiding all us until this point. So kudos to you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you
thank
so
you
Thank you.
so
It
much.
much,
was good.
everyone.
Lot to
Thank
come.
you.
Thank
Bye
you so
bye.
much.
We'll
Have
see
a
you
good
in
evening, all of
upcoming
you.
Atlassian
Thank you.
event
Yeah.
from
Have a good
Boston.
day. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Just
Bye.
We'll
nice
see you in
having
the
you.
next event, definitely.
Mhm.
Sure, sure, man. Sure.
Yeah. See you at the
Bye,
next.
everyone.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.